Hi guys, Rachel here. I'm out of bed, have my hair up, put a load of moisturiser on. I'm not like going to make this look pretty. This is just going to be me showing you guys what's in my wardrobe, clearing it out and taking stuff out and figuring out what I want to keep and what I don't want to keep. And I'm prepared. I have my black sacks, so one bag is going to be for charity and then I might do one small bag of like depop stuff, but then at the same time I don't even know what I want to sell. Like, I always donate my clothes, so I'm kind of like, is there even any point selling them? So maybe you guys can help me with that decision down in the comments below. So yeah, let's just get straight into the video. So this is what we're working with the wardrobe. This is one side. These are custom made by my dad actually, just FYI. Okay, so this is the first one. I'm going to give you a close-up. So this is my jumper section here. As you can see, I've already started to clear this out, so the hangers are there. Then up here, it's kind of like a decorative thing. Probably should get rid of those boots, never wear them. I don't even know what I have up there, so probably should check. And then down here are tops. A lot of this stuff here I never wear. They're kind of things I wear all the time. This is like basic tees and bodysuits. And then down here are like stuff I'm meant to wear to work, which I never wear either, so that's fun. Then down here we have shoes. I never actually said this at the start of the video. So today's video, there's going to be a number of categories. There's going to be donate, sell, keep, wash and alter. So there's going to be all of those choices that I'm going to like lay them out and then figure out what I'm going to do with them. Right now I'm only having two bundles. Ones I want to keep and ones I want to get rid of. And then after that I'll figure out where they need to be in all the other categories. I love this jumper, but it's like, I think I've worn it max twice. It's super soft, super cute, but I like sweat a lot, and this is grey, which is not ideal if you sweat. Like, you should not wear grey clothes because it just shows up, like, even if you're kind of sweating, it's gonna be like, ah! So I should probably say adios to this guy. I have this knitted cardigan that my nanny knitted me, so I'm obviously not going to get rid of this, but I need to make a point of wearing it sometime because I never do, and I just think it's kind of bad. I have really bad knees and they used to always pop out when I used to do dancing, and I feel like one is about to pop out. Ow. Okay, so let's start. Two fully empty drawers, and I'm going to try and figure out what to put here. Also, when I emptied out this, I put my shoes away, so all my shoes are away, thank God. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. Okay, so right now this is my get rid of pile. That's my like donate pile, and that's my alter pile, and then that is like needs to be washed. And then these are all the tops I'm keeping. A lot of the tops I'm keeping is almost just for like sentimental reasons. These jumpers are the ones I'm keeping, those ones I'm getting rid of, and on to the next door. Okay, so I think this is going to be like my hardest section to go through because this is like all the clothes I love to bits. I went through all my trousers the other day, so the trousers that are on the racks here, I'm not getting rid of any of them because I do truly love all of them and I do wear them regularly enough. But up here there are a few bits that I need to like get rid of because they're just not worn. But then this section is stuff that I love, so it's kind of like a tricky one. Getting rid of the first item. This I love, but I've never worn it because it hasn't really fully fitted me properly. So I might put this into like, I'm gonna put this into my alter pile and see what I can do with it. Okay, this is something that I used to be obsessed with. It's from River Island, I think. I'm gonna get rid of it. Like, I haven't worn it in I'd say a good 2 years. This is one of my favorite finds ever. It's a Calvin Klein blue dress. Okay, so it's a bit tricky because this wall is slanted, but I'm going to try to show you what is in here. As you can see, it starts off with, there's 2 handbags hanging. So up there are all my hats, handbags and stuff, and then down here are jackets, more jackets, and then some boots. So I really need to like go through this and figure out what I want to keep and what I don't want to keep. This is a complete change of like direction, but I normally always have stuff on that door, but I no longer want stuff on that door. So I'm after taking off everything that's on the door and want to try put them into my wardrobes, starting with the coats. So I'm after taking some things out of here to make space for more jackets. Then I'm moving all my stuff that actually needs to go in here, and then I'm kind of done this side. Shocked. Also, these are my Deb's dresses, aka prom dresses for whoever doesn't have Deb. I'm back to my small camera, thank God, and right now I'm going to start putting away the clothes back into my wardrobe. But while I'm doing that, I'm going to do like a second round of getting rid of stuff. So right now I have 2 full big bags of stuff that I'm either donating or selling, and then the more I think about it, the more I'm like, I'm not even arsed to depop stuff, so I probably will just donate everything to a charity shop. Okay, so I've done more. These are all the tops I'm keeping, and these are all the tops I'm getting rid of. I think probably the best thing I can do as well is just fold them neatly, like an IKEA bag. Why is that in here? My pajama bottoms, they should not be in here. What's this? This is dirty, that needs to be washed. Wait, great, already going down. I love this little jumper, but it's a bit small, so if I am wearing it, I need to wear like a proper bralette underneath. So where So we're after doing some of the clear out, well, all the clear out of this one. So that's what it looks like right now. The drawers, this is a combination of like dresses and long tops. These are all kind of everyday t-shirts, long sleeve polo necks, more long sleeve bits. Then down here are going out bits. Under there, my runners. I haven't done anything with this except for like clear out bits. So like that's the space we have there. Trousers I'm not going to go near because I cleared them out the other day. And then I think the biggest change has been over here. So these are all jackets that I actually use, and my shoes are now being kept down here. Okay, so I think that section is pretty much done for now. Excuse my studio setup. These are like skirts and stuff that need to go back into the wardrobe. That stuff up there I'm like unsure about. And then these 2 bags are the donate and the sell bags. Right now they're all together, and then after I'm like 100%, I'm going to go through them again and figure out what I want to sell, because like a lot of items in there that still have tags on them, so yep. Then these are coats that I need to put away into storage somewhere because I only wear them when it's really wintry, which it isn't right now, and yeah. Okay, this is very low down, but whatever. So this kind of part of my wardrobe, these 2 doors, this side over here was meant to be for skirts and underwear and stuff. Then my skirt collection just kept growing and growing, so I didn't have any space for underwear. So then underwear ended up in this box, which is like a memory box, so underwear definitely should not be kept in my memory box. And then this section is full of makeup in the first like kind of shelf, and then my pajamas, and then tracksuits, leggings and stuff. So I really need to like get rid of pajamas because I feel like I'm such a pajama hoarder. So what I need to do is get all of the underwear out of this memory box and then just clear out this corner because it's a mess. Try not to get too turned on by me going through my underwear. So this is the tiny bundle that I'm getting rid of, and this is like the skirts I want to keep, which I'm realizing now I need to make this bundle bigger. The stuff in the corner there are to be altered, but yeah, I have way too many skirts. Like, this is actually not funny. Like, these are all skirts and shorts. So I'm officially finished the underwear. Like, I'm not messing. Since my dad and my sister and my ex built this wardrobe, I haven't had this section tidy. So all my underwear is fully organized. Amazing. Then all my skirts are fully organized. Is that not like the most satisfying thing you've ever seen? And then down here as well. And then as well, this compartment used to be full, so that's empty. So that's just cozy socks and stuff. Then this one is just such a mess. So as well, at the weekend or sometime this week, maybe Friday, I'm going to get 2 shelves for here from IKEA, like this one, and just use them as storage. And this is just a mess. So this is all just like makeup bits, and then these are tracksuits and pajamas, and then this one just has random shite that I need to get rid of. So let's go. Okay, so I've organised it. So these are all my workout bits, and then baggy tracksuits that I wear when I'm lazing around the house. And then these are all, this is like my pyjama section. Now, I actually got rid of a load, but I think this just looks really big because I have a couple of really big ones, like fluffy ones like that, which doesn't bother me. But I'm going to bring down this lower to about like there, and then fit in another drawer. So I was planning on only organising my clothes, but I feel like this is such a big section of my wardrobe, I might as well get fixed. And yes, let's just take everything out. Okay, so I thought I should come back on and update you guys. So obviously my last clip was me in my room, and I never actually finished off the video. So we're now like 2 weeks after the fact, and I'm just going to show you guys everything that my room how everything in my room looks like right now, how I've kept things tidy, etc. So yeah, thank you for watching this far, and I hope you enjoy kind of the after clips. Okay, so the room in general is a lot neater. Thank God. That light is still there. Kermit's now sitting there. There's me. Like I said in the video, I cleared off my door, so right now all that's kept there is my tote bag that I bring everywhere and my jacket that I wear everywhere as well. Oh my god, my battery light is flashing. So cozy socks are still up here. All my underwear is all very neat still. Then my skirts are still perfect, and I've obviously worn stuff. This is probably the biggest transformation in the second door. So I have all of this organised, all my belts and scarves. In here, miscellaneous bits. In here, all my hoodies, workout gear. And then down here, all my pajamas, which looks crazy, but whatever. Then on this side, this is the biggest side, obviously. So we have all the jumpers. I actually never went near the top 2 parts, but these are all the same. Still neat. Oh, I changed around these so I could see them instead of them being like stacked. And then this one's a bit messy just because like tops are a bit flimsier. Then my faves, all of those stuff I wear all the time, still sitting there. There's kind of accessories up there, scarves, trousers are the same, and then the coats and bags, more hats there, and then my everyday shoes are there as well. And that is my wardrobe clear out. Sorry, my camera's a bit weird. I hope you guys enjoyed it, because I honestly really enjoyed going through everything, figuring out what I wanted to get rid of and what I wanted to keep, and it just felt really, I don't know, like cleansing for my soul and just like myself overall. Just like kind of a clean, organized space is kind of good for your mind. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.